Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, I am A. Ansari. Nowadays, there has been begun a big discussion about coming of Mahdi, especially since the fitna of Zahoor. In this regard, I want to ask from the Muslim community that how will we prove that someone has to come near the doomsdays, near the Qiyamah? There is a not single one word in the Quran that someone will come again after Muhammad. And not only this, but this command is also written in this Quran, O Muhammad, give them admonition who afraid my threats. Fazakkir bil Qur'ane man yakhafu wa'id, 50/45. It means that he was not allowed to give advice from any other source beside the Quran. So, how can you prove this matter from any other source in this light of our facts? Now, how anyone can prove that any will come after Muhammad? Neither Mahdi, nor Jesus, nor Dajjal. How can you prove? Kindly tell me, how can you prove? Yes, Ansari.